Good to see you all. I'm Priya. Now we are going to see about machine learning, the core of artificial intelligence. So in the previous video, we see artificial intelligence. So what is the artificial intelligence? It's a thing and act like human. It solves the problems and they have the more applications like self-driving cars and voice assistants and Netflix, Spotify, whatever maybe we will see. We would say numerous applications. So this is a recap. There is a simple thing. What is an artificial intelligence? And they have the subtopics like machine learning, deep learning. We will see about machine learning in this video. So what is machine learning? It's a subset of AI. It learns from the data and gives the output of what we feed it and what the output of the predictions. So it's a simple. What is the machine learning? So simple examples are spam email detection and Netflix movie recommendation and Spotify songs like fraud detections, Spotify songs recommendations are an example of machine learning. Now we will be deeply see what are the examples and what are the subtopics are. So real world example of Netflix examples of machine learning is one of the thing is Netflix recommendations. So all of you know what is how it feeds the movies and how we will choosing the movies recommendation. It will be used the about the analyze your watching history and predicts your mind what you enjoy, what's your liked, what you have mostly watched or rewatched. It will be predict on that. It's a machine learning a basic concept. So next one is basic type of what are the machine learning types? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So what is supervised learning is a labeled data. Unsupervised learning is a unlabeled data, and reinforcement is the thing that corrects the data from the user, and what are the corrections or come, it will be reconstructed and use the output. So it's a simply thing of these three types. So we will deeply see what is supervised learning. So what is supervised learning is nothing but it's a if we will give you numerous data, it will be a labeled something. For example, carrot, tomato, and pepper, bell pepper. Like we will labeled something. It's going to train a model, and it's have basically database we will have and then predict and the test data and we will give the output. It's a simple thing. We know what the we are going to input for the mission. So it's a supervised learning. So we will know the input and we will know the output. We will train the model and we getting the output. It's a simple supervised learning. And then algorithm is a linear regression and decision trees. We will see the next videos of these algorithms deeply. So next, these are the some of the examples are house price predictions, and cat dogs predictions, and face recognitions, spam email filters, or comes under supervised learning. So next one is unsupervised learning. As unsupervised learning is nothing but it doesn't know what we will doesn't know what is the input we will given. So it's a non-predictable answer. What the answers are comes under we didn't know. So that is called unsupervised learning. For example, cat dog, or what are the unlabeled data. So machines will be recognize the pattern what they have, what are the data given by the users. So it will be gives and trained and gives the some output. So what are the algorithms of K means clustering and PZ are the both algorithms of some of the algorithms under unsupervised learning. So we will see also these algorithms deeply. So what are the examples of customer segmentation? So group of customer segmentation project, fraud detection, unusual fraud detection. So on from spam email detections comes under the supervised learning. But anonymous transactions are identified like that projects are come under unsupervised learning. So next, some of the movies recommendations are also comes under the unsupervised learning. So next one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a given of a bunch of raw input data, and it act like an agent, environment, and reward. Like an example, it will be learns by the interactor the environment, and what are the rewards that comes under the behavior. It gives the output. For an example, see the baby is sitting. A baby is an agent. So baby is moving to take a feed and it's going is traveling like as an state of action, and it's getting a reward of milk is a reward. So it's a agent, state, and a reward like it's an example of a reinforcement learning. For the another example is automatic car and a games methods or the comes under reinforcement learning. So what is the three main difference of AI, ML, and DL? AI is the artificial intelligence and things like a human, and machine learning is it's learned from your human feeder data. And DL is the deep learning that's a neural network. What are the patterns or comes under the neural networks are called the deep learning. So we will see also the DL on a next video. So the applications are voice assistance, fraud detections in banking, self-driving cars, healthcare diagnosis, product recommendation system, email spam phishing detection, stock marketing protection for us, for forecasting, language translations. These are all the applications of machine learning. So comes under supervised and unsupervised learning, and also from some of the reinforcement learning. There is a numerous algorithms uh, uh, under this learnings. So next one is we will coming to conclusion. So machine learning is a core concept of artificial intelligence. It makes to it learns from the data, and it has an algorithm to transport to daily lives and industrial lives based on the conditions. So understand what are the applications and how to we use these technologies as comes under deep learning. That is some of the NLP, AI patterns comes under the machine learning purposes. So these are all the about the simple concept of machine learning. We will see about next video of deep learning and their algorithms. Thanks for watching.